Good morning, guys, and Merry Christmas. This is going to be going up a day after Christmas, obviously, so it's a little bit late by the time that you guys are seeing this, but it is currently 7:08 in the morning, and I know this phone is super old. I literally cracked mine a couple days ago, so it's sent out getting fixed, and I've been stuck with this one recently, but yeah, it is early. Usually we wake up like earlier to go open presents, but I'm actually waiting for Darian to get here, and I might get up and like not get ready because I never get ready before we open presents, but since I'm recording I do want to look like decent and not have like mascara under my eyes and stuff. Yeah, it's also raining. Like, it was literally snowing earlier in the week, and then we thought we were gonna have a white Christmas for the first time in like a long time, and then it rained and all the snow melted, so yeah, the weather's not the best. But I want to say that my room looks totally different. I'm not going to show you guys because I want to have like a room tour reveal. I mentioned it in my last video, I think, but I have pre-filmed videos that have been going up before this one. So yeah, my room has been like this for a couple weeks by now, but you guys just haven't seen it yet because I'm going to be doing a room tour soon. I'm also going to be announcing the giveaway winner in this video a little bit later, so be sure to stay tuned for that at the end if you entered. Whatever is mine in this pile, I'm not going to be showing you guys what I got in this video because I'm still going to be making a what I got for Christmas video. So you're going to have to stay tuned for that. But you are going to be seeing what Darian got because, to be honest, most of this stuff is his. We have a bag of stocking stuffers that we're going to open first. Just like little things. Oh, look who's here. Oh, Snickers walking up to the window. Something that I just opened. I cannot wait to show you guys. Literally all this stuff is so cute, but you're gonna have to wait for the final video. Oh my gosh. So Darian got a bunch of different like Gymshark shorts and tops and just a bunch of stuff. Like I said, I gave him a no budget for the website. I got him a box of his favorite bangs. I got him a slimming belt, resistant bands, a weighted jump rope, an ab roller. Got him ankle weights, which is the heavy gift, army push-up bars, a Gymshark foam roller, as well as like a gym fitness mat for his at-home gym, his Gymshark duffel bag and book bag, a big comforter, and then also the Nike hoodie that he's been like wanting forever. Obviously you guys will see my stuff later. When the video is up, I'll link it down below. It's 11:30 and we have been playing this since we stopped opening gifts. It's the new Monopoly that I got my parents. It's like the Cheaters edition, and it's really fun. We love Monopoly. We have multiple different versions, and this one's really different. So yeah, we're gonna do this. Then after this, we're probably gonna stop around 12. I'm gonna get ready to go eat dinner and stuff with my family, and then go to Darian's house and stuff. I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog of the actual like dinner and like going over his house, just because it's like a family thing, you know. Like I don't want to just like bring in my camera. So this was mainly just a vlog to show you guys how my Christmas morning starts, and also show you some of what Darian got. I also bought myself all new brushes for Christmas, which will not be included in the haul probably, just because I already opened them and it was like an early gift to myself. It's like a bunch of BH Cosmetic brush sets. This is the marble set. I got the peach luxe set. I also got a bunch of these Jeffree Star and like Morphe Cosmetics setting sprays. They were on sale. Cute. Also guys, I don't even know if I told you, but I didn't open any cards on camera. I did that after the presents, and I won $100 in lottery tickets. So this is my hair and makeup. I'm just wearing this like white bodysuit, and I'm gonna put on some jeans. I'm gonna change out of this skirt. I was gonna wear it. It's really cute. It's like Burberry plaid, but it's a little bit too cold. It's like the dead of winter, obviously. It's almost 4 o'clock. We're down at my Nana's, and we went to his house and saw his parents. And I didn't film any of that because we were like doing gift exchanges, and I just didn't want to record that part. So it's now like 4 o'clock, and we are eating dinner here. And then after this, at 5 o'clock, we're gonna go back to his house for his family's dinner. So we have a big feast here. There's mashed potatoes, corn, pineapple bread. Here's the ham. There's coleslaw, sweet potatoes, bread, and then green bean casserole. It's now 5 o'clock and we are back home. Had a great dinner. I only ate the mashed potatoes, corn, and a little bit of the green bean casserole, but that was about it. Everything was so good from what I ate. And I also forgot to mention that I popped on these fake press-ons before I left the house. I got them for Christmas. I love them and they look real. But now we're changing into different clothes because at his house for dinner they do pajamas, so we're getting into those all cozy. It also got way colder out, and it's also starting to snow, which is so weird because it was raining this morning, but I guess it got colder now that it's snow. So I'm double bundled up in layers and we're ready to go. I'm not going to film anything over there just because, you know, it's his family and I don't, again, just want to like bring out the camera. But I think that was it for this video. I'm also going to be announcing the giveaway winner now. I will put their username right on the screen. Thank you so much to everybody who entered, and I will be hoping to do many more giveaways in the future, so definitely be sure to subscribe and turn on my notifications so you know when videos go live with giveaways. Congratulations to you, and also Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everybody watching this video. I can't wait to see what kind of content 2021 brings. Hopefully it's a lot better of a year for everybody. But yeah, that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what any traditions that you and your family may do during the holiday season, any special things that you always like to do. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all had a happy holidays with you and your family. Stay safe, and I love you all so much. Bye.